Stephen, thank you. Welcome to the Cooking Corner in the Air Comfort Solutions kitchen. Marleta Giles with the OSU Extension is here making a Tarragon Chicken Salad today. Marleta, good to see you.
Good to be here. Thank you.
So what is this? When I teased it a little bit ago, I was wondering, what is this?
So
good
this
lunch.
is a basic chicken salad. Makes a wonderful Sunday brunch meal or a quick evening dinner. And the difference is we use a few different ingredients like tarragon. And so you can use rotisserie chicken for this. You can bake a whole chicken or a lot of thighs or chicken breasts and use your leftovers.
That's great. And it uses tarragon. I didn't know what that was, but it's here. And you had me smell it a second ago. It smells really good.
It's very, very good. It has a little bit of a licorice smell. And the ancient Greeks were using this 500 BC for toothaches.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and it's one of those herbs that grows like a weed in your garden.
That is amazing.
Yeah,
so what do we do for this recipe?
So I've already prepared the chicken. I just pan roasted this chicken, which is another easy, quick way to do it. We're gonna add our celery and our apples, and I'm gonna go ahead and stir that together because it makes your mixing a little bit easier.
Yeah, and you use chicken thighs for this.
I did use thighs for this. They do have a little more fat, but they're a lot tastier and less expensive these days.
Dark meat, for sure.
Absolutely. So I've already measured my mayo and my mustard, and I'm gonna add my lemon, and I'm not gonna bother to measure. I'm just gonna squirt about 1/4 of a lemon in here. That's gonna be about a teaspoon. And I'm going to add yogurt. Now with this recipe, you can either add all mayo, all yogurt. You can take it up a notch and make it healthier. And so I'm adding a little more yogurt than mayo. And a lot of people find the liquid on top of the yogurt. Well, that's the way. Stir that in and eat it. That's the protein.
Don't pour it out.
No, don't. A lot of people pour it out, so do not pour it out. So I'm going to add this in here. I'm going to mix it in.
Is that just plain Greek yogurt?
That's just plain Greek yogurt. And, if you don't eat a lot of yogurt at your house, buy the individual serving sizes.
That's a good idea.
And you save money that way, too. And I'm going to add my tarragon to this. Stir it up really well. And I've already pretty much mixed my salad, so I'm going to add my dressing.
Is there a certain amount to try to make it perfect, or do you kind of eye it?
I have a tendency to eyeball things.
You're a pro.
Well, but there's no real right or wrong way. You make everything the way you like it.
Absolutely.
So if you like a lot of yogurt, add more yogurt. If you like a little more mayo, add more mayo. I've included salt and pepper, which is not in the recipe. And I love this. You can, if you don't like apples, or if you have young children in the home, be sure and peel your apples.
Okay.
And you can also add grapes. If you do have young children in the home, be sure and cut your grapes in half.
Yeah, choking hazard for sure.
So I'm just gonna I'm gonna reach over here, and I love adding fresh walnuts to this. Walnuts add a little more protein, more fiber.
And add some more crunch.
That's right, healthy fat. And then we're just gonna take this, we're gonna move everything off of here, and put that right there, and we're gonna put this, I love to serve it on red leaf lettuce and spinach.
And this is a salad recipe. You could also probably put it on a bun if you wanted to do that as well.
You can. That's a great idea, because some people are like, well, I need a little more hearty meal. So, yeah.
Gotcha. Well, Marleta, we're running out of time. It looks fantastic. I'm excited to try it. You can check out many more recipes just like this one. Just go to our website, news6.com/recipes. We'll be right back after this break.